Resistance and actually extinguish fire. After extinguishing fire, all cooldowns reduced.
Passive.
And then throw distance.
Passive ko kung may meron akong binatong ingredient sa teammate, meat burn ay the next meat burn speed by 20% for 4
The what? Can you say that again?
Pagbato ko ng ingredient sa teammate, babagal daw yung meat burn speed for 20% for 4 seconds.
So, kailangan ibato mo yung meat sa...
Kahit anong ingredient.
Sa ibang character? Kahit anong ingredient.
Oo.
Wait, ano? Bababa yung burning?
Oo.
Meat lang naman yung nababurn eh.
Yun nga.
Okay. So, kailangan ikaw na yung chopping duty ng meat or anything na cooking. Kailangan mo ba iabot? Para ganon?
Okay. Bato. Kahit bato ko.
Bato? Okay. So, hindi ikaw yung magluluto? Yun yung nagigets ko.
I guess.
So, you might be in ingredient gathering.
Oh, pwede. Pwede.
Ano ka, Cheska?
Every plate submitted by Flame Hashira reduces the burn speed of all meats on the map by 15% for 8 seconds.
Sige, okay na yun. Pares kayo on ingredient.
Yeah, plate.
Plate?
Magsasubmit siya ng...
Ikaw yung plating.
Submitted.
Okay. Sige, meron tayong server. Ano ka, guys?
Movement speed, 15% movement speed, tapos 10% throw distance.
Movement speed and what?
Throw distance.
Throw distance.
Yep. Increase.
Anong character yun?
Rare. Kunshiro.
Rare. Sino?
Kunshiro.
Huh? Sino?
Kunshiro.
Kunshiro? Is that like...
Rare.
Muichiro? Huh?
So rare.
What is that supposed to be?
I don't know.
Okay. And then
Nabasahin ko.
Wala siyang post.
Passive natin is sa atin lang?
Yep.
Okay. I am on fire extinguishing duties. Throw distance. Pero okay, pili kayo. Kasi ito yung passive dito is yung increased throw distance, siguro sa akin lang.
Yep.
And then fire, extinguish fire, cooldowns reduce.
Wait, may word pa ako.
Yung isa pa is which is supposed to be reduce fire spread speed within 1.5 tiles of me. So I'm like a fire extinguisher. Ay, yun yung passive. Ano yung abilities? Paano ma-check?
Abilities?
Yeah, may abilities din.
Ito. Yung nasa gilid.
Yeah, paano, how do you view them?
Yun lang. Hindi ma-view eh.
Ma-check na lang natin.
Bale, meron akong passive na stop. C-stop.
Sige, okay na yan. Sige, start tayo. May guess na lang natin yung game.
Ako. PC?
Ano, gusto niyo ba easy muna para alam natin? Yeah, easy muna. Para maano natin, parang tagin, mag-ano lang. Testing lang muna. Okay. Gathering kayo. Last tayo yung pwede sa preparation and cooking. Pili na lang tayo. Same naman mindset natin. It's parehas ginawa, no? Okay.
Burger.
Oh my god, started.
I'm like, this. What does that do? I don't
Bato.
know.
Cheska.
Hi guys.
Patty. How do you... Oh, click.
How do you remove this? I guess it's just there.
Oh, stop ako. Pwede ko lang stop ko.
I think you have to chop that, Les. You have to chop that, Les.
I do.
Yeah.
Why do you have to chop me?
Hindi ko mga ng lettuce.
God.
Diba?
Oh, it is Patty. Patty.
Oh, yung una.
Yep. Just need the patty over here. Cheska, dito ka na? Meron ka ng plate na serve? Nasa likod.
Yeah. Asaan?
Serve mo to. Ito. Yep, thank you. Willis. Alright, cool.
Asaan?
Okay na. Yeah, okay.
Oh, laglag ako.
That's burning.
Ito ba isa-serve?
What do I do with
may
this?
kamatis dito na.
Saan nga ba isa-serve?
You
What do I do with fire?
trash it. Trash.
Huh?
Put it in trash. Trash. Garbage.
I can't pick it up.
Yeah, because there's no pan. Ayan, yun yan. Okay yan.
Paano mag-throw?
Meet here, please, oh.
Oh, I can... Oh, dash. Wow.
Okay, meat pala. Sorry.
To put back the fire okay, I'll just put it there. We need cheese. Do we got cheese? Nope. That is, wala na yan. Yung next orders na lang.
Pan, hot. Luto na yun.
Easy lang to. Guys, what's happening? Patty over here! Wag mo ilagay sa couch.
Where's the burger?
Oh my god. Just got
Where do I put
cabbage.
cheese? There's cheese here.
Okay, we have to search our abilities. Because, yeah, this is not... Cabbage. Please, maglagay kayo ng... Maglagay na ng... Okay.
My god, walang nangyari.
Wow.
Replay. Return to lobby.
Replay.
Replay.
Replay, sige.
Okay.
Paano i-serve? Like, iwan lang yung take, ano?
Sa
Where's the
gitna,
plate?
baba. Pero kay Cheska mo ipa-serve.
Ay, nako.
Sorry.
Lo.
All.
Sunog na yun, sunog na yun.
Guys, sorry if I'm not doing anything. I am trying to
Let us
research what to do
go.
here. What's the game called?
Pa-research yun ang
Let us go.
movement.
Sige.
Paano mag-throw?
Ano mag?
Ayun, may throw dito sa akin, oh.
Row.
Wait.
Here, please, oh. Thanks for watching.
Oh, yun.
Oh, sorry. Don't worry about that. Row.
Cheese, please, oh. Madumi.
My sprint. You.
Meron.
Oh, yeah.
And then
Wait.
still trying to
Then,
find
ano
where
gusto visual effects mo?
the gift is.
Cheese here, cheese.
Cheese na yan. Serve.
Woo.
Row.
Maghuhugas lang ako plato.
Alright, the
Wait lang.
tutorials.
Paul.
Ilas sa akin yan.
I threw something. How?
No,
Saan nalagay? Saan nalagay yung order?
What? Cheese lang lawan yan.
Wala kang meat yan. Wala kang
Ay, wait. Fuck.
Yung meat to.
Ito pala.
Daw. Hindi na abot.
Saan nalagay? Ayun.
No.
meat and lettuce na lang, guys.
Sorry, tagal mo. Burger. Oh, walang plate.
Di ako makashift.
Oh, dito. Orders
And
failed.
return to lobby.
Kung yung hanap
Hello?
mo yung or hindi.
Return ba tayo? Tara,
Ayaw magkapin sa akin.
Okay.
napindot ko sa akin.
Jump. You can, oh yeah. Dash, abilities, interact. Space. Walang key points to throw. Interact, cooking, picking up ingredients, left mouse button, abilities, CV. Dash, Q, space, jump, west
Q.
is movement. Dash, dash.
Paano mag-throw?
Ay, nahanap ko pa. Wait lang. I'm on units, and... On units. Flame Hashira. Abilities, Flame Surge. Which is...
Kung mythical, si Kizaru, si Sujinu.
Oh,
Sujinu, Sato the God.
Hello.
Saan kayo?
Hindi ko na kaya. Alis na ako.
Okay.
Traitan na.
Ay, may ba?
Bye. Hindi na ako mag-read.
Jeep ako. Wait lang, research ko lang muna. Wala pa
Hindi,
information yung
mag-leave
iba.
na rin lang. Nilib mo na ako, nag-leave na ako.